Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to learn a very important point of grammar, that is the parts of speech. Okay, so in front of you there is a one diagram. So I am going to write one by one the kinds of speech. So first of all there is a noun. It is the first parts of speech. Then second, pronoun. Okay, then third, adjective. Then fourth, verb. Fifth, adverb. Then sixth, preposition. Then next, conjunction. And then last, interjection. And apart from these 8 parts of speech, there is the article also. It is also considered as a parts of speech. Then I am going to give you one example. See on the board, Radhika is a clever girl. In this sentence, now what we will do, one by one we will see as the part of speech what is it. Okay, now see here, Radhika. What is the Radhika? As per the parts of speech, Radhika is a noun. Okay, but which noun? That is the proper noun. Okay, then second, is. What is the is? As per the parts of speech, is a helping verb. Or we can call it main verb. Then next, a. What is a? A is a article. Actually there are the 3 kinds of the articles, a and the. Then next, clever. What is a clever as per the parts of speech? Clever is it is an adjective. And then last, girl. What is girl? It is a noun. You can say common noun. Now students, please concentrate on this sentence. Radhika is a clever girl. In this sentence, as per the parts of speech, Radhika is a noun, that is the proper noun. Is a verb. Then a, that is an article. Then clever, as per the parts of speech, that is the adjective. And last, girl, that is also again noun. That we can call it as a common noun. Okay. So in this way, as the part of speech we have seen in this sentence. Now in short we will see what are these all parts of speech. First of all, here articles. Actually in English there are how many articles? There are near about 3 articles. A and the. These are the 3 articles. Okay. Then next, noun. Noun. What is the definition of the noun? It is the name of the person, place or thing. That is called as a noun. For example, we can take this example again. Radhika is a clever girl. In this sentence, Radhika is a noun. That is the proper noun. Second one, pronoun. What is the pronoun? We use the word on the place of the noun. That is called as a pronoun. Okay. So for example, in this sentence, Radhika, if we use here she is a clever girl, so she will considered as a pronoun. Here this is considered as a pronoun. Then next, adjective. Adjective, what is adjective? That describe the noun. Again, see in this sentence, Radhika is a clever girl. In this sentence, clever is an adjective. Okay, so as per the definition, clever describes noun. It means Radhika. So that is called as a adjective. Then next, verb. Verb means what? it shows an action. These words are known as the action verb or action words, that is called as a verb. For example, we will take here example of sit. You can take again the example of Radhika. Radhika sits in the chair. Okay, so sitting, it is the action, so it is called as a verb. So there are lots of words are known as the verb. All these are the action verbs, just like as a sitting, dancing, talking, running, walking. All these are the examples of the verb. The next kind, adverb. Adverb means what? It describes a verb. For example, we will take the example of this. Radhika runs slowly. Slow plus ly. Slowly. Okay. How does Radhika run? She runs slowly. Okay, so it is called as the adverb that adds the meaning to the verb. So that is called as a adverb. The next, preposition. Now see, preposition, position. Okay, it shows the position of the noun, shows relation with also the noun. For example, I kept this marker on the table. Okay, so I have shown the position of marker. Okay, I kept it on the table. So on is called as a preposition. And next, conjunction. What is a conjunction? It is a very easy. Conjunction means connect or link, we can say. Linking word. The words which links two words, two phrases, two sentences, it is called as a conjunction. For example, Sita and Geeta are best friends. And, okay, so here linking word is a and. It connects two words, so that is called as a conjunction. And then last, interjection. Interjection means what? It expresses sudden feeling. Okay, for example, wow, what a beautiful rainbow it is. Wow. So those are the expressions. Wow. Okay, then bravo. So lots of words are there which shows the feelings. So that is called as the interjection. So in this